Hey, I thought I'd just do a little testing of my new programmable load here against my 200 watt HP supply. So I've got the supply set to 20 volts, which gives me, full 10 amps worth of amps available. 10 amps this section. And I've got my step size set to 1 amp load. So let's turn the load on, and you'll see that the amperes here goes to about 1 to start. Alright, looks pretty good. There it is, 1.002 amps, 20 volts. And now let's step it up. Let's see the step function right here. So that's now 2 amps. Sure enough, it says 2 amps. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty darn accurate, these things. Look at that, 6.002. And this shows, without the parallax, exactly 6. 7. There's a little glitch there because it's got to switch into another range. 7, 8, 9, 10 amps. And here you can see exactly 10 amps. This is amps, this is volts. Power supply is doing pretty good, didn't drop very much. I've got some pretty heavy duty wire connecting the two up. And I'll turn the load on and off. And you'll see load is off. The load is on. 10 amps, pretty good. Now I'll start going down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, there's 5 amps, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the lowest. I have it the step size too. Okay, that's it. Looks like this load's doing its job. Let's turn the load off, and let's power it down. Same thing here.